ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
பெருமாள் திருமடி தனியன் எம்பெருமானார் gave the thanian of பெருமாள் திருமடி about Sri Kalasekara Alvar. எம்பெருமானார் in அமுதன் ஒட்டிக்கேன் இங்கே வா பைங்கிடியே. So இங்கே வா பைங்கிடியே means it is a green parrot. Every parrots are green. Why Emperumanar specifically said that the green parrot? Because all parrots are green color. Is there any?
Usually, as part of poetry, they would decorate the objects or entities which are being referred. So here we can say that Emperumanar is decorating the parrot, saying that the parrot is green. But that also has significance that the green parrot means the original color of that parrot is well shining in this case. It is not faded, it is not dull. When it's said that paingadi means it is very nicely shining. So here, Innamudu Muttigan Ingeva Paingadiye, that could refer to his own Sishyas. So Bhagavad Ramanuja is calling his own disciples, such as Kuratalvan, Mudaliyandan, who are all already shining with knowledge and bhakti and vairagyam. So we can say that Bhagavad Ramanuja is indicating that quality in the parrot being very fresh and beautiful and green.
ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org. KOYIL.org.